Guys, I'm back. We're gonna watch Dog with a Blog. Okay, so if you wanna join me in Snapchat, I'll tell you until it's my next video, okay? So yeah. I love this one. He has puppies! You don't know Dog with a Blog? He married a dog named Princess. They got married. She have 2 puppies. And these puppies you see right here, they're such adorable. And I like the boy one. He's funny.
So I was on my way to meet Bennett for dinner, and there's this squirrel in the street just running free. So I yell, "Squirrel!" and squirrel, because I don't want the poor fella to be roadkill. Don't worry, he scampered off just fine. But to answer your question, no, there's no one named Stu here.
All right, now I've recorded everything Ellen just said. You ready to see how we turn this into a really cool prank using my soundboard app?
I don't understand, Dada. I'm hungry.
Perfect, let's do it.
Bennett, dinner is almost ready.
Okay, honey. What are we having?
Roadkill stew.
That's just a funny sort of name for it, right? I mean, we're not having actual roadkill.
Squirrel!
Squirrel? Are you kidding me?
No!
You mean you're actually cooking squirrel for dinner?
I found a free squirrel in the street, poor fella. Dinner!
Is this because I asked you to spend less money on shoes?
So I've got dinner.
No. We are not eating that.
It's locally grown and organic.
Okay, you win. Buy all the shoes you want.
Yes! Wait, what? Never mind. I don't care. I'm gonna buy the shoes. You say buy the shoes, I'll buy the shoes.
Yeah, he thought he was gonna eat squirrel. You guys like that prank?
So, can we eat the squirrel?
No, you guys don't understand pranks. There is no squirrel.
I wanted squirrel. Why can't we have squirrel? Are you mad at us? What did we do wrong?
Okay, I'll get you a squirrel.
Yay! What's a squirrel?
Okay, he said he wanted a squirrel. And then now he's saying, what's a squirrel?
Hello? Tyler? It's Tyler from the future. Oh, yeah? Well, if you're me, then what's my Buddy Bop password? 12345 ? Whoa, the only people who know that are me and my dog who asked me that this morning. So, what's my life like in the future? Okay. Yes!
Now do you understand how pranks are funny?
I saw a butterfly in the window. My feet smell like corn chips.
Well, we're getting closer.
Stan is bad. He's very, very bad.
Okay, yes, I drank from the toilet before I licked you. I did it once, we were having a fight.
Stan is hummingbird, short pants, carrot weasel.
Wait a minute.
We pranked you, Dada. You're a short pants carrot weasel.
You did it! You pranked your old man! Oh boy, here come the tears of pride! Wait a minute. Who you calling a short pants carrot weasel?
Okay, so we're gonna watch another one. Oh boy. Wait, okay. I love this one. There's the sugar.
This is Tyler James. Now that is the face of a smooth player. Well, not that face. Oh yeah, there's the sugar. Hey, look, it's me. I'm the dog. There's the sugar.
Oh, ow.
Chloe's excited about something. There's the sugar. Hey, who's that good-looking robot? There's the sugar. I knew a dog named The Beast. She was a hot little number. Not what you'd expect. There's the sugar.
Oh my god.
And the card should read, just my way of spreading my admiration for you. Signed, Walter Perkins.
There's the sugar. There's the sugar.
Chloe, we have to keep that cat hidden from Stan. You know he hates cats. It's okay. Like this one once I teach it to talk. Say, there's the sugar. Come on, cat. You can do it. There's the sugar. Chloe, you know animals don't talk.
I think it's cute that she thinks animals talk.
Thanks, Nikki. I think it's cute that you think animals don't talk.
There's the sugar. And you know what else will win you votes? Hand these out. There's the sugar. You see that? It talks. It has an electronic voice box just like me. Nah, I'm kidding. I'm a regular talking dog. There's the sugar. There's the sugar.
Stan, do not pass those out in the middle of my speech.
Puppy.
Say hi to your son and daughter, Stan.
There's the sugar.
There's the sugar.
Aww. Here's the rebel.
He's
He's the rebel.
gonna be a handful. At least he can't talk.
There's the sugar. Quiet, fool.
And there, my friends, is the sugar.
Okay, so yeah. Our next video is gonna be the same thing, but totally funny. We're gonna see this one, Dog with a Blog, Stan and Princess. So I see you later. And then this one too. So bye. Bye bye. Subscribe. Subscribe. If you wanna to follow me on Snapchat. I'll tell you what's my Snapchat name. Yeah, so I'll see you later. Bye.